What is up, YouTube? Hello, I am back with another video. It is your girl Amaria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, and subscribe down below. Let's click that red button. Alright, so today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. It has been a minute, like I said in my other video, since I have done my makeup, but I'm slowly getting better with time and with practice. Today we are going to be doing holiday makeup looks, okay? I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do right now, but as I'm doing my makeup, I'm probably gonna get a better idea, and we're gonna check this out. So I have already started on my eyebrows by applying my clear black brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Honestly guys, you don't have to spend a whole lot of money on makeup. I got this from Ulta Beauty, super cheap. Actually no, I got this from Sephora, super cheap, you know, not super cheap, but you know, affordable, and it works great. Okay, so now then I have this brow pencil that I absolutely love. It has brown and then black. I tend to start off with my brown to fill in. Right. And I taper off with my black. Okay. Okay. So let's do it for this one. Eyebrows done. So now guys, I'm going to go into applying my primer. Usually I use my Peaches and Cream. This is Peaches and Cream primer that I really like, but today I'm going to be using my Clinique because it's super hydrating for my skin, which is super helpful just because you know my skin tends to dry out. So, alright guys, so now I'm going to be doing eyeshadow first. So with my eyeshadow, I want to do something. I may do something dramatic for the eyes and then something simple for my lip, which I feel like is a lot better, especially if you know for the holidays. You don't want to do a little bit too much, but you know you want to be cute. So, alright. So I'm thinking we're gonna start off with a nice nude base. Okay. Alright, so that's just my base, and it's really good to put just a base eyeshadow, which also helps with, you know, your pigment so that it's more noticeable, your color. It shows a lot better on your skin tone. Well, I know it shows a lot better on my skin tone when I make sure I apply just like a simple, not too bright, but neutral. Okay. So now guys, I'm thinking of makeup. Alright, so I have a whole palette of colors right here. I took this out of I have this like this big case Going for more of a matte brown color. Okay. So now, guys, next I'm going to be using my all-time favorite. This is one of my favorite eye shimmers, eye glitters that I have. It's liquid. It comes like this. Oops, like this. Right? And that's the color. So now I'm going to be doing my foundation. A lot of people do these because they're concealer first, but I like to do my foundation, then concealer, then so on and so forth. I said in an earlier video why I like to do my eyebrow after my foundation. Today I did it a little bit different, you know, but typically I do like to do my foundation after just because it looks way better when you do it like that. So I'm going to do bronzer. I'm going to do a matte bronzer just because I'm already going to do highlights. So I don't want too much sparkle, but you know. And then now I'm going to follow with my Ulta brush. And I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna do either Hustle Baby or Me Money. That's the two options right here. Ooh, bright. Can you see that? Oh, you can see my other stuff. No. Okay, yeah. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do the Hustle Baby, which is right here. This one is Me Money. You can see I already used the Hustle Baby. I kind of like the shimmer on it. Look at this brush. That is so cool. Yeah. Alright. And I go right a little bit, just not everything blended and even. Okay. So then I do go over my eyes with my eyeliner. Alright. So now, guys, with that set, I'm going to do my lips, and I was kind of conflicted on what I wanted to do with my lip, honestly. I do want to do something kind of nude, natural, cute, you know. I have this NARS lipstick. I think this is lipstick. Lipstick or lips? Yeah, matte lip pencil, velvet matte. It is the color in Dolce Vita. Oh, why am I gonna put that on my eye? Lord. Alright. Just gonna redo that bottom lip. And followed by my lip gloss. Alright. So to set it all off, we gotta do our setting spray. So, okay guys, so this is my finished product. Okay guys, so that is it for my video. I hope you like, what I did. I am, pretty excited with how it turned out. Like I've said before in previous videos, I don't do my makeup to, cake it on. I don't want to cake it on, not too much. I feel like it's just enough. And yeah, so like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. Let me know what you think. Seriously, give me your tips, because like I said, I'm a beginner. As I learn, you guys will learn as well. If you don't know, I'll learn from you guys too, things that I don't know. Just let me know. So guess I'll talk to you guys later. Also, stay tuned because Vlogmas is here. All right, it is December 1st. My birthday is this month, December 22nd, and I cannot be more ready. I am super excited, super lit, super ready for my birthday. So stay tuned, guys. So many videos coming up. We have pranks for you, challenges, all of that. Okay, all of that. Just be prepared. I got you. Catch you guys later.